Today's job is to strip out this bathroom, and you start off with getting rid of the cobwebs. So here is years and years of cobwebs. So as you can see that, now it's been in here for a while. Cobwebs are hanging down, spiders are thin, they're all skinny, the poor things, there's nothing to eat. So we've got to go around and we've got to get rid of the cobwebs. Very first thing. Learned that the hard way. Go up, you're getting some cobwebs, and it is horrible. Absolutely horrible. And you feel disgusting the rest of the day. First things first. Get rid of that. It's quite hideous. Spray for the little darlings later. Yeah. Toilet to go after this. This room's going to get demolished completely. It won't be the actual bathroom. So I'll be keeping the house up to this wall. This floor can come out. It's partly rotten. Over here they've cut into the floor down there. At some stage they've cut the floor up, so they've obviously had issues with plumbing under the house, which is pretty standard for an old place. So I've had to go gouging out the plumbing there for the new vanity, but that's not going to happen anymore. So I'll be removing all this floor, this wall, that wall there, keeping that one because that's the blue room. I call that the blue room, even though it is the blue bedroom. So that wall stays, this wall stays, possibly this door will become in to the new bathroom, but the new bathroom will be 3 metres further that way, and possibly go around the corner slightly. This is going to be cut out, and it's double brick, so it's going to be interesting to demolish a brick wall. I'm keeping this wall here because that can become my new load bearing wall. And I'll get rid of this one, so there's only 2 metre difference, it's 2.3 difference. I'll put a beam over the top, an I-beam, steel, to support it. I like a bit of steel. You know what you've got then, all those long skinny spiders. Starvation spiders I call them. I think others call them daddy long legs, they've got another name. I don't know if they're dungeon spiders or not, but they make a hell of a mess. So I'm going to get your head in that. Yeah, so we're keeping this wall, getting rid of the toilet, blocking that wall off, or cutting it out altogether, so the kitchen will be over here somewhere, and the house itself, which is only little, will become 3 bedrooms with an ensuite and a walk-in dressing room. So that's what the house will become. This part, toilet, laundry, will be part of the new build. So we'll be adding half a house again at the back to make it a decent house, a decent 3-bedroom family home. So the first thing, strip out, clean up, block the plumbing. So I'll be cutting this copper pipe off. I'll be putting plugs on it because I can use some of this copper, whether the plumber wants to or not. But if I plug it, because I've got the water off at the moment, so I'll have everything I cut will be plugged, then you know what you've got then. And then cut all this floor out, then hopefully I'll be able to get a toilet in to where the kitchen used to be. So hopefully once I'm under here, I've got, there's only about a foot gap. So the extension that we're building from here out will be a cement floor, because down here, this loveliness, there would be less than 30 centimetres between the wooden floor and the ground, which is not ideal at all. It's very hard to get ventilation under a house when that's all you've got. So I'm not even going to bother. And when we go out further, it'll be even lower. So I'm starting the cement slab inside the house and all new plumbing. So I won't be using any of the existing unless the plumber wants to can use a connection, but I was surprised if it does because it's all plastic now, plastic and insulated. So better start swinging the hammer. Got to disconnect all the fittings first. And then I'll make a nice pile that can go with the tip next week. I will get rid of all these door frames and the door architraves, so will be replaced with new. It's very hard to paint something that's varnished and scarred, so just do new.